Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best archaeology kits are probably one of the most exciting ways for young minds to connect with the past, offering a hands-on journey into discovery and historical exploration that transforms learning into an adventure, making it an indispensable tool for curious teens and young adults eager to unearth the secrets of ancient civilizations right from their own homes. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Connect 4 Classic Grid. Get ready for a head-to-head challenge. Try to get 4 discs of the same color in a row to win this classic game. Challenge a friend to rule the grid. Strategy drives the competition in this exciting board game. Be the first to get 4 in a row to win. This popular game takes a step further with a sleek style and cool colors. It's designed to keep players glued to the grid. Choose from classic gameplay, a free-for-all variation, or a third option that lets players drop or eject discs. There are multiple ways to play and win. It's easy to learn and simple to set up. This family game for 2 players is a fast-playing favorite that everyone can enjoy. Strategy games make excellent gifts for families or kids who love classic board games. It's a perfect choice for boys and girls. What we like. This game offers a classic strategic challenge with a modern twist. Its sleek design and cool colors make it visually appealing. If you're looking for a fast-paced, easy-to-learn game for 2 players that encourages critical thinking and friendly competition, this is a fantastic choice for family game nights or as a gift. What people say. The design is sturdy and easy to set up, and the grid is the perfect size for both kids and adults to play comfortably. What I appreciate most is how simple the rules are. My toddler enjoys dropping the discs in the slots, and my husband and I still get into some surprising strategic battles. The quality feels great and it stands up well to repeated use, which is awesome for a household with little ones. Number 4. 4M7 Crystal Growing Science Kit. Unleash your inner scientist with this exciting crystal growing kit. It contains everything you need to conduct 7 amazing experiments right at home. Simply use hot water to start the magic. This kit makes learning about geology and science an engaging and fun experience for young minds. Once your crystals are fully grown, showcase your stunning creations in the special display case provided. It's the perfect way to admire your hard work. Ideal for kids and teens who are curious about the world around them, especially those fascinated by rocks and minerals. It's an educational gift they'll love. Don't worry about getting started. Each experiment comes with complete, easy-to-follow instructions to guide you every step of the way. Recommended for ages 10 and up, this kit is designed to challenge your child's imagination and encourage a love for discovery. Explore the wonders of science with 4M. What we like. This kit provides an exciting opportunity to conduct 7 different crystal growth experiments. It comes with display cases to showcase your creations. If your child is fascinated by science, geology, and hands-on learning, this educational STEM toy is perfect for sparking their imagination and curiosity. What people say. It was a fun STEM project. Crystals came out great. You need to be sure to follow the instructions carefully. I made a fatal error on my first attempt and did not wait the full 30 minutes before I added the crystal seeding and nothing ended up growing. On the subsequent attempts I followed the instructions to a T and was able to grow beautiful crystals. The red crystal seeds will grow more block-like crystals whereas the blue seeds will create more sharp pointy crystals that flower out. Blue and red will create a crystal that looks like a combination between the two, it flowers out but is more block-like. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an adventure. This kit lets your kids excavate 20 real fossils and gemstones, providing hours of thrilling discovery. Imagine the excitement as they uncover genuine ancient fossils and gemstones. It's a truly unforgettable educational experience. Everything they need is included. With a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass, they can dig and explore just like a real paleontologist. This STEM kit makes learning fun and engaging. A full-color guide packed with fascinating facts enhances their discoveries. Give the gift of discovery and learning. It's the perfect way to spark curiosity and provide hands-on fun for curious minds. We are committed to providing high-quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, ensuring a stellar learning experience. What we like. This kit allows kids to excavate 20 genuine fossils and gemstones, offering a thrilling sense of discovery. It includes all the necessary tools for a hands-on learning experience. If you want to provide your child with an engaging and educational activity that teaches them about geology and history with real ancient specimens, this is an excellent option. What people say. The book is a comprehensive introduction to archaeology for young adults. It covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of archaeological methods to famous discoveries and ongoing research. The writing style is engaging and accessible, making complex concepts easy to understand. Number 2. Dr. Seuss Thing 2 Emblem T-shirt. Get ready for some fun with this iconic Dr. Seuss-inspired T-shirt. It's perfect for anyone who loves a bit of playful chaos. Featuring the beloved character, this shirt brings the whimsical world of Dr. Seuss right to you. Show off your love for this classic tale. Crafted for comfort and designed with a memorable emblem, this T-shirt is a fantastic addition to any casual wardrobe. Wear your fandom with pride. Whether you're heading to a themed event or just enjoying a day out, this piece offers both style and a touch of nostalgic charm. It's a conversation starter for sure. Don't miss out on this unique apparel that celebrates the enduring magic of Dr. Seuss. It's a delightful way to express your personality. What we like. This T-shirt features an iconic character design that's instantly recognizable. Made from comfortable fabric, it's perfect for everyday wear. If you're a fan looking for a fun and stylish way to express your love for a beloved character, this unique fan apparel is a great addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The fabric is soft and the print looks bright and clear. Perfect for school events or themed days. The material is super soft with just a little stretch, which makes it really comfortable to wear. It's not itchy at all, and even after 3 washes the colors are still bright and fun. Comfortable, fits well, and the picture hasn't worn off even after having it about 2 years. Number 1. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, Special Edition. Embark on a thrilling journey with Indiana Jones. Experience the excitement and danger like never before. Follow Indy as he ventures into the perilous Temple of Doom. Uncover ancient secrets and face formidable challenges. Join the legendary archaeologist on a desperate mission. He must retrieve the mystical Sankara stones before they fall into the wrong hands. Prepare for heart-pounding action and intense encounters. This is a fight for survival against a dark cult. Discover exclusive content and remastered visuals. Relive this classic adventure in stunning detail. Witness the bravery and resourcefulness of our hero. His courage is tested to its limits in this unforgettable tale. What we like. This is a special edition of a classic adventure film, packed with thrilling action and a captivating storyline. If you're a fan of epic adventures, suspenseful plots, and iconic cinematic moments, this special edition is a must-have for your movie collection. What people say. From the opening scene, this movie is different. First of all, it takes place in 1935, so it's actually a prequel to Raiders. John Williams really goes the extra mile with the score. He manages to create a theme from the opening dance number, Anything Goes, and it makes for the best score in the series. This new 4K UHD release of Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom doesn't just restore the color and clarity, it amplifies the heat, tension, and exotic allure of one of the boldest entries in the Indiana Jones saga. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.